Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Berlin, aka Roselle FX. Today I'm showing you guys Monday's trade breakdown and last night's trade breakdown Tuesday morning. So I just woke up and here we go on the charts to show you guys what I did so far, the trades I took this week. All right. All right, hey guys, we're on the charts and I'm gonna show you guys the trades I took last night. I mean, this morning, pre-London, and Sunday afternoon. So, all right. So last night, this is what I saw. You guys know the drill, Hakenashi, Hotel Hakenashi, and I saw this on GJ. Boom. And then I saw a high. I saw a high right here and go back, and you guys could see this high. It couldn't break this high. This was a fake out. We have resistance here, and this is a fake out, and that's number one fake out. My head, we're going down, and let's see what the RSI is saying. The RSI is telling us divergence 2, and then my trend line break. And I entered for about I entered for 20 pips, and I think it would even have given us 40 pips. Yes, 40 pips. And 40 pips, right? And this is a counter trend. This is a counter trend trade. So I didn't want to be in this trade for long. So I took $300 on my funded account, and I was done. I was done for the day, for the night. And I wanted to wait for the actual setup, because I knew this was a fake, like, trend break. I knew this was like okay, this is I'm not I shouldn't be staying in this trade for long, because I'm trading against the trend. So this was a quick little trade I took, and the real move happened right here, right there. Let me see how you guys could have caught that. You guys could have caught that like that. All right. And it faked out. It kind of faked out over here. Like, if you go to probably 5 minutes, yeah. Like, that could have been a fake out. So you guys could have caught that right here after this engulfing. I mean, that's the 15 minute. I mean, the 5 minutes. So after this engulfing on the 15-minute chart, I'm disorientated, and put your stop loss right there, and boom, we have a 1 to 2, 1 to almost 1 to 3. That would have been like 60 pips. And that move happened right at 3 a.m. And later that day, you're trying to trade with the trend, right? And at 9:30, that was a other entry right there. But unfortunately, I don't wake up at that time. So in the future, I will probably try my best to wake up during New York session. And is up 92 pips, but the plan is 1 to 1, 20 pips, or 40 pips, 1 to 2. All right, so that was yesterday's trade. I caught a little sell here at that was at 115. All right, and then Monday's trade. Monday's trade, I had a I had a key level here. We have this first touch, and then we have this touch. We also got like a little touch here, and then we got a touch here. But I didn't trade off this. I wanted to trade. I wanted to see how it was like to trade like once on Sunday opens. So I traded really early on Monday, and I caught a counter trade again, and boom, we had that. Plus, we had we had a London high fake out. So you know, London high fake out, and it would actually have never came back if you guys entered right here, right after this candle closed on there, and boom, you see that it would never have came back. So that's more risky, but we got the trend line break. But I wasn't. That was obviously that was Friday's trade, but it was continuing, right? So let's see. This I entered. Let me see where I entered at. All right. Wow, I entered all the way down there. So you guys could see I entered a continuation here. All right. And if you go to the 5 minute, you'll see it better because like it barely looks like a little trend line break there, like you see right here. But I waited for the 15-minute candle close, and I knew it was coming down over here, so it was a quick trade. It was a quick trade. So this was a 20 pip trade. 20 pips. So, and I'm out. All right, I'm out. And the real trade was over here, the continuation of the uptrend. It came back to touch this broken level here, and on the higher time frames you see it better. You see that it's a break and retest, and you have this W happening on this key frame key level, right? And then you have a W. I mean, you have the W forming. So, I saw this happening, but I was just like, you know what? I got my 20 pips for the day. Like, I don't need any more. But this was like a couple hours, like a little like an intraday trade. Why is it doing that? Okay, you would have entered. Long position. You would have entered if like it's better to enter after this and enter right here for 24 pips and target the next high right there, and it just flew up like, oh, it's crazy. If you just held that trade since Monday, you would have been up. That's crazy. 384 pips with only a 24 pip SL. Those are like, swing traders goals, But all right. So that was the trades I took. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.